the Insurance Regulatory Authority, we've come up with what we call an Insurance Cases Digest. The Insurance Cases Digest is a compendium of key court cases on insurance and also rulings from the Complaints Bureau. The compendium, which is this size, is just a pre-final draft, but it looks like this. And right now it's available on our website. It contains 6 key court cases that were decided in the insurance in the financial year 24-25, and also 34 Complaints Bureau rulings. This case digest is very critical for our industry because it will help to set standards, first of all, of how the regulator looks at these matters that come to the Complaints Bureau, set regulatory standards to show the industry how we are going to judge or look at those cases, but also it's supposed to provide insight into the application of insurance law and how the regulator is looking at the different matters that are coming into the Complaints Bureau. So I would like to encourage each of you to get a copy. First, we do in each of the cases that we put in the Insurance Case Digest, we also provide a case review on the court cases, what the judges were saying, how the industry should handle those matters, but also if there is any regulatory action that is required in the court cases, we also guide on how we are going to take regulatory action in those matters. Now, on the cases and the rulings coming out of the Complaints Bureau, again, we provide a case review on how we arrived at the decision, but we also provide guidance and standards of what we expect of the industry in that case review. There are also frequently asked questions for our public to understand insurance matters, but also to understand how they are going to deal with insurers going forward in relation to the particular matters that were decided on in those cases. So again, I would like to encourage the public to access that Insurance Case Digest. It's available on our website. We're going to be issuing out one for every financial year, again, to create transparency on how we are handling these matters, but also inform the public about their rights as they get insurance and what they should be asking for in those transactions with our insurers. It will also inform the insurers on how they should deal with the clients, especially in relation to the standards we are setting as a regulator, but also the regulations that we are issuing out as a regulator. So once again, please do get a copy and watch out for a copy of the Insurance Cases Digest for every financial year.